What's up, 803 WHIPGAMEz? Man, y'all see it, man. We back outside on Project OBS. 90-day bill, man. We about to get this bed snatched off. Hey, I'm gonna get this frame treated. Y'all stay around for it. Back in a minute.
Is it?
Yeah, I think that is it.
Oh. Alright, then this comes off of this one and then you slide it. And we can take this wherever you want to put it. Out the way. Everything on the hook? That's fine. Sit it on top of your bumper. I can bring you a couple shirts though.
What's that? What's up, 803 WHIPGAMEz? Y'all see it, man. I told y'all we're not playing around. We're on a 90-day run. Project OBS underway. Bed off. Got the neighbor over here helping me. Shout out to Brian. Hey, you know everything you need to know. We about to get it done. Y'all wait around for it. Back in a minute. All right, y'all, we back. Y'all see it, man. The bed is off. We got the bed off. Y'all see it, we got a little grind. We got a little grind time going on, man. All right, man, we're getting it in, bed off. Tomorrow we'll get the tank dropped. We're gonna get all this pressure wash, get this dirty stuff. We're gonna get this frame treated. I'll wait around for it, man. Be back in a minute. All right, man, we wrapping it up for the day. We about to shoot the Harbor Freight, get us a few things for this frame. We back at y'all tomorrow, man. Y'all make sure y'all like, share, comment, and subscribe. Hit that post notification bell so when this footage drops, y'all get it. And drop a 100 if you rocking with your boy, man. We'll be back tomorrow.